All right, Lynn, wait for the other kids to come.
This may look like an ordinary barbecue, but all these people have one thing in common. They all decided to power their lives with Sunrun. So why on earth would they do that?
We have 2 little girls who are really thinking about their future and them growing up in this house long term and using more energy as they get older.
Sunrun preps you for what lies ahead. But what about now?
The consistency of the cost versus guessing what the bill would be every month.
This is Brian. He's at the barbecue, and he also happens to work for Sunrun helping people go solar.
We have some of the highest electricity rates in the country. Almost all of the power that we use here comes from an out-of-state supplier. The delivery costs are more than the actual supply costs.
Energy can be a mess, so John was on the lookout for solutions.
Brian came a-calling, I came a-listening.
And after that, it didn't take long for the word to spread.
8 of the 12 homes in the neighborhood have Sunrun. It's pretty clear people understand why it makes sense.
No one should have to worry about energy. Sunrun keeps things simple so you can focus on what really matters, like barbecues.